Right, guys. Apologies again for the time it's taken to get this over to you, but we're finally here. So yeah, I'll just take you through the new design. So starting with the base, I found these new foundation blocks, which are going to give you the maximum height we can get, basically with the permitted development. And then what we'll put inside those is this XPS insulation. So that's it's very good under compression, basically. So it gives you a very solid foundation for the floor, and it's also won't let any moisture in up through the ground. Then on top of that, we just have a tongue and groove chipboard floor, subfloor, and then our cassette. So I think I mentioned I've reduced these to from 100 millimeters to 75 millimeters. So they're slightly thinner, but once they're installed and the insulation's on the outside as well, it really won't make a bit of difference. So that's one of the cost savings. And then what we've got are columns, and then what I've done on the left side, so for this is for the workshop space, instead of using the cassette, I've just used timber frame, which is a standard sort of building. And then what we go on top of that, so these are just structural beams, and then we've got the roof cassette. So I kept these at 100 mil just to make the roof a bit more better for the sun, basically, so it keeps it cool in the sun. And then we've got the rest of the roof. So here's your overhang. You can see there it's about 50 centimeters on that side. Then we've got our external insulation. So this goes all the way around, as you can see. And then our battens again, and furring strips on the top. Then we've got the roof boards, and then here was an idea. I don't know if you like this, Tom, but I thought I'd put in a translucent window here, essentially. So this would allow a bit of light in, but yeah, probably not clear. I was thinking of like an opaque sort of acrylic there for that. Then we've got our roof rubber on the top, and then these, so that's our window there, and for some reason that hasn't worked, but there is another window here, which would be an opening one, a plastic dome window. I think you might know the type. I'll send you a photo of that, because for some reason that's not come up on here. And then just some doors at the front to give you an idea. Okay, let's get rid of that one. Then on the inside, so I will take those out again, and then we've got internal battens, and then I found a new, instead of plasterboard, there's these Norwegian boards, which when they're installed there wouldn't be these lines, but this is just to give you an idea. But yeah, it basically creates like a smooth wall which can be painted. They're pre-primed, and they're just wood compressed with natural, so very good for sort of hypoallergenic, I believe. Okay, and then what else have we got? Yeah, so we've got, just to give you an idea here, the size on the inside, Tom. And again, just a sample for the flooring. I've just put a herringbone flooring, but that can be whatever you choose. And then where are we? The cladding. Yeah, so again, this is just a sample. We've got the metal roofing sheets on the sides and the rear, and then again, this could be anything. This is just to give you an idea of how it looks. So I put the doors back in. There we go, and then we can put on a bit of shadow just to show you how the. Now I'm not sure if this is the right orientation for your garden, but just to give you an idea of how the sun might move across the day. Okay guys, I will update you with the pricing as well and a few more details.